Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please subscribe and please click on the notification bell to receive an email when I post a new video. I'm going to start with a bit of parchment paper and I'm just going to tape it down on any surface just to hold it. And I have some 20 gauge wire and I wrapped it around my glue stick and I cut a length. You could use anything to make your shape. And I'm going to twist this around like that and form a loop at the top like that. Now I'm going to place that down, and I have these small beads that I bought at the dollar store. Now I have my hot glue gun, and I'm going to fill the inside of this with my hot glue, and I'm only going to do the top part because I'm going to put 3 different colors of beads in. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make sure that it touches the wire. Like that, and I'll put some of these dark blue beads on. Tap them in, and I'm just going to let that cool off a little bit. Okay, after it has cooled off, you can lift that off and pour them off into another piece of paper and put them back into the container. Now I'll place it back on my parchment paper and put another row of glue. And then I'll put some of these light blue beads on. Tap them in and allow that to cool off. And now that this one has cooled off, I will lift it up, tap off the extra, like that. And now I'll do this last section and sprinkle on some pink ones. Tap them in. Like that. And if you don't have total coverage in some areas, add a little bit more glue and just drop some more beads in. To finish them so that the beads don't fall off, you can either brush on Mod Podge or some glaze and allow that to dry. And I have one here that's finished, and you can just trim away the edges. If you see that you have a little bit of glue over the edge, you can just trim that away with scissors. And I have a few more here. For this one, I placed some of these beads down into the glue. For this one, I used some of these glitters that I bought at the dollar store. And for this one, I used some red, blue, and green glitter. And I shaped this the same way as I did these, but I just reformed it like that. I just started out with a circle, and then I bent it down like that. You can just make any shape you would like. For the oval, I just pulled it down a little bit to shape it into an oval. So there you go. That's how you can make some easy hot glue jewelry. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.